Hello everyone, in this video, let us learn the art of mastering Urdhva Dhanurasana. Urdhva Dhanurasana means upward bow because the shape resembles the bow. This is also referred to as chakrasana or wheel posture. There are various techniques involved to do this posture. In this method, we lie down in supine posture, taking the hands behind the shoulders. After folding the legs, you need to use the arm strength and leg strength and lift the body up. Now this posture resembles the shape of upward bow. You can hold this pose for 20 seconds or as long as it is comfortable. Ensure your breathing is deep and comfortable. The second method is for people who are flexible. So where you do the wheel posture by standing and dropping back. Keep your feet hip width distance or shoulder width distance. Raise your arms and drop back. And hold the posture as long as it is comfortable. And make sure your breathing is slow, deep and comfortable. Once you are done, you can come back to standing position. It is always good to practice counter postures like Dhanurasana. This forward bend stretches the opposite muscles to bring the balance in the flexibility levels. This will help you to get rid of pain or discomfort later. If you are new to the Yogasana practice, you need not have to worry. You can use this Swiss ball for support and slowly you may be able to perform wheel posture. However, you should be little cautious while using any prop. So this is also one of the safest technique where you can use the yoga chair and do the wheel posture. You can use the blanket to sit on the yoga chair. Now slowly you can bend back, releasing your arms one by one from the yoga chair. Now take your arms overhead. You can keep your feet hip width distance or shoulder width distance. Once your alignment is perfect, you can use your arm strength and leg strength and lift the body up. If your flexibility levels are good, you can try this from squat position. We get plenty of health benefits while doing wheel posture. One is it corrects the posture and helps you to get rid of rounded shoulders or drooping shoulders. It strengthens your back muscles, strengthens your shoulders. It also improves the flexibility of your spine. This may also helps in better respiration as the chest cage is expanding and the lungs are expanding. This pose may also help in better function of heart and also proper blood circulation. The practice of this posture may also be helpful for mild depression or anxiety. Please subscribe our channel to get more information related to yoga and its benefits. You can visit our website to know more about our yoga classes which is conducted offline in Bangalore and also the online classes conducted through Zoom. Thank you for watching the video till the end.